London, New York, snap. Yeah, Macdicator the map. Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to the channel. How's everybody doing? Man, it's a rough morning this morning watching the book. Sitting here watching the book just like everyone else. Check out live RMTWB for this beautiful setup on the book maps. Hey, how's it going, Vic? Welcome, welcome. What do we got this morning? What do we got? Fear and Greed Index. What are we looking at? Just kind of a quick review of what happened the last couple hours. We're at 42, sitting in fear. Today we had ISM manufacturing PMI 52.4 expected, forecasted 51.3, previously 52.6. We have some news across the world, nothing else from the US. So New York should be pretty quiet when it comes to news. We got what we have next. Australia's got some things going on. Feel a spike coming through. Let's look back at the book and see if we can't find kind of a location. M5 trades, you went down to 24.4. I mean, yeah, definitely. We're there now. We are there now. Certainly there now. 24,500 has 106 lots. On the book map, we got 46 lots down here. 24,387. We have the deltas kind of flipping green a little bit. Got that going for us. Time and sales. Let's see, pressure to the downside more so, obviously, but we're getting these weird spikes up. We're getting these really weird spikes coming through. So really, really weird spikes. Did we just make a higher low at 24,373? I don't know. That is a good question. It's a very good question. Let's look at the ES real quick. On the one, ES is pushing lower. We have a Macdicator gap up there calling its name at 6,836.50. Do I think we go get that today? Yeah. It's a possibility. It's a very big possibility. And the NQ, what do we got going on there on the Macdicator? Yeah, it's 24,681. It's a very big possibility. We tried to reach for it earlier, but we didn't catch it. We came down and filled this gap first at 24,381. So we filled this gap already. We have another gap left behind at 24. Slight wick imbalance there. 24, 383, 50, 25 or so. So coming up on the 200 EMA, VWAP. We have that going on. So, I mean, anybody still trading gold? Yeah, Chop Fest. I mean, we're still gonna push in a direction, M5 trades, for sure. Excuse me. Oh, I can't get this. Hold on one sec. All right, let's see. It does look like a higher low, so I'm kind of a long bias. Long bias for sure. That's for sure. I think I'm long mentally, emotionally, you know, just because of this higher low. That's it. If we can get above and make a wick above this price here at 24,473, if we can get up to that 200 EMA and not reject it, I'd be really, really bull strung there. We'll see. We'll see. Anybody taking any trades? Gold? Let's check out some gold. Let's look at gold. I'm curious about gold. Is this the contract still? 6? No, it's not. It's a different contract. Gold. What's the gold GC contract at? J? Is it E? Is it J? Is it J? Yeah, it's J. So J, let's see, gold. Yeah, I think I'm long on gold. 51.56.70. That's right here at this price. Gold. For gold. All right. So let's see. Does it get above my called out price of 24.73-ish? Oh yeah. I think we go up and touch it. Come on. It's up. Didn't realize that I said attention. Sorry about that. Streamer bot's working. But it doesn't work when I say Lucid or Macdicator or Apex. It doesn't work. It doesn't seem to want to pull it up. All right. So we did touch 64, 74, 75, and then we'll run up to 60. And we're finding some resistance there. Yeah. Do we get 72.89? Or do we come back and test this low? We need to get above this. We need to if we want to keep going bull. If not, then gotta go somewhere, right? $0.39. Oh, you got out at 39. Where did you go enter long in at, Vic?
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, went long there for 1 mini, but it didn't show. It's kind of a ghost trade. Try it again. See if we can't do it again. There you go. Probably better off selling this for 15 points. See if we can't do that. Might come back and retest this price. Maybe long would be a better setup unless we sell off from here. Watch, hold on. Let me see if we rip down for a minute.
Stop.
There we go. See if we can't catch this retest of 466.50. No,
Stop.
this thing is taking off. Wow. Hey. Pushing higher. Wow, we're going for high of day. Are we going for high of day already?
Stop field.
Going short here. See if we can't catch this down. No, probably. I'd like to see a retest of the 200 EMA, but
Stop.
that's not going to happen. It's still pushing up higher. Very volatile. Very, very volatile price action. Why not? Let's try it. All right, just so you know what account I'm working on a competition account, but I'm actually getting my trading handed to me. Right now.
Stop field.
Let's see. Coming back down to 24. 5's 46.50, which is my short entry to go retest 200 EMA. Might not do that. That's still pushing higher. Still wants this price here, 24,573. Currently 11:07 on the Eastern Seaboard. I was trying to get in here earlier, but something came up I had to take care of. And hey, it's okay, right? Because we could trade 23 hours a day on futures. Excuse me. All right, we got this turnaround candle right here on the 1 minute right here. I'm very indecisive. Yeah, we could go up and take my stop loss or come back down and hit this. Again, I'm using a competition account. I'm not doing well in it at all. I didn't even trade on Monday, which I didn't trade at all yesterday until yesterday night. So I got behind in the competition by like $30,000. Not gonna catch up with those guys after the first day of 30K in the comp. So I'll definitely use it to play with, to work on strategy, to work on execution, and obviously, you know, just stay in the game, which is fun. It's fun. It's like sometimes you should take a break, and kind of I'm in that breaking stage, which is okay. Everybody needs a break from taking a funded account eval or something of that nature, and it does help out the mind a little bit just to take a step back. And if there's an account that will allow you to trade, you know, setups just to keep the mind active, then, you know, just as long as you don't build the bad habit. All right, let's see. Do we come back? I mean, this pushed up pretty good on the SPY and QQQ. We did make that higher low that I was talking about, and we kind of just have ripped up since then. I mean, kind of want to see it come back. We'll see if it comes back down here and test this here.
Stop fill.
Put our stop loss right here behind this. Going short, 2. Gonna show off the setup here. I'm negative $5,900 in this competition account, but it's not a firm, not a prop firm. Although Lucid right now has 50% off, I believe. Oh, that was 50, but they definitely have 40% off. RMTWB, and then Apex just rolled out with a whole new redesign, so you can use ALEXTWB for a coupon there for 80% off. Let's see. I'm thinking here 24,445. We want to continue to come back. You know what though? A VWAP retest. This is kind of more of a long VWAP tap would be sufficient enough for this setup. 60. It's quite a few points, give or take, but be a nice re-entry for the longs to kind of get in. They could go to the 20 EMA, which is down here at 545. Actually, you know what? That one actually would look better if we can break the VWAP. Yeah, no, it looks like VWAP is fighting to stay up. Remember, this is a short trade. This isn't something that I want to stick around in. Yeah, I understand, Vic. They did do a redesign though. They did do a restructure of their rules, so it's gonna be interesting to see how everything kind of plays out. Well, we're finding support on the 5 EMA pretty well. All right, back up. This is done. This is cooked. See if I can manage it and get out.
Order filled.
Didn't trust it to. I thought we would be cooked there, but no, we're actually kind of heading in that direction that I'm heading in, or thought I would be for the next 5 minutes or so. Yeah, glad I managed that one, got out. for this particular minute anyway. See if we can't switch directions here. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, yeah, we did. We got up there. This is still long.
Order filled.
Let's target the 679 area. Let's see if we can get back to that mean. That's the mean price right there, 681. Well, let's see if we can't get back to that center price range. I think they want to go test the high of day. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, high on the NQ is reaching for 24,613. $18 seconds left on this candle. Let's see. Retesting, finding support maybe. Maybe we can find some buyers there. Maybe a seller, make a lower high. All right, we're coming up. We're gonna break 97.50. Are we gonna break it? Is it gonna go this time? That is the question. There she went. I think we go higher. Interesting. Just sit back, relax, and show. Got 2 gaps up there. I think we go get, but we could reject all the way back. I don't know. Depends. Oh, wow. Okay. Small wins, Ryan. Small wins. Running right back down to my entry. Jeez. Excuse me one moment. Got some. All right, so we bounced off this Macdicator gap down here. This gap was like literally 1 tick. And we just bounced right back up. It doesn't mean we stay up there. It just means that particular minute we just shot up. Let's watch this in ticks. 100 ticks. Wow. Pushing. Ticks even have gaps. And they're respected as well, which is interesting how this market respects all the gaps that are made in every scenario, because it is a significant price situation. Look at that. So I want to see how it responds here at this here 24,617 on the 100 tick. Rejecting. See what we got. All right, there you go. Coming up to it now. Testing it. Can we get above it? 24,617. Can we clean it up? Can we clean it up? Yep, cleaned it up. See if we can't get 20. Check. Oh, there you go. Running right up. Rejected. Yep. See if we get back up there. Okay. Let's see if we go get this one here. 24, 646, 646. Let's see if we get it. Finding some sort of resistance here. 25. Go up. $24, 646.50. Fallen. Not out of the woods yet for my entry, that's for sure. Just looks big. See if we can't get it up there. See what happens at 32.50-ish. Sheesh. I mean, is there any more gaps up there? Gotta be. Just go look left a little bit. There we go. Now we go right. Now that we got them activated, we can look. We can look on the Macdicator. Oh. Looking at the 100 tick chart. You know, I mean, we're kind of making this cup. Kind of making a cup here. Question is that do we reject the mean? Do we continue reject this gap here at 24, 646? Come back down to my entry. That's possible. That is possible. Again, I want this this gap indicator to show me, prove me right. 24, 646. Come back. 100 tick chart. It's reaching for it. Find a resistance underneath it. Right back down. ES even pulled right back down too, but see if the NQ wants to pull it up. There we go. It's got to get above 40. 640. Wow, look at that. Look at that. We're coming right back up.
Gold's going down.
Holding this long. Let's look at gold real quick. My son wants to say, hey, there's gold. Gold is going down. $5,132. I did say that we could come right up to 5,155. That was the reach right there. We have another one up here. We have a VWAP and a median. We could do that for sure. Might take some time. I think we fall back down at 200 maybe. Right back down here. Maybe find support here at 600. Retest it. It's a possibility. We don't need to retest it, but may want to get that cheaper price. So they may want to. I really appreciate you all hanging out with me this morning. I know I was a little late. I had some things I had to do. I certainly am taking this week to trade the Ninja Trader challenge, but not necessarily am I doing anything fancy with that. Probably get back to trading on the 10th of March. for the prop firms, but I'll be every morning. I'll be live, and hopefully I can get my mind right when it comes to getting these trades in. If I had to say it would go anywhere, I think we need to get above 42.50. And we need some bullish candles to do that. In the meantime, we're gonna kind of range. We're in a range. We're stuck in a range on the higher time frames. So, all right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me this morning, and I hope you have a green day. Peace.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. Ryan Mac teach us that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.